Hello everybody, Ali Flores here with OrlandoVacation.com, giving you another episode of tips and tricks to make your Orlando vacation awesome. This episode we're going to talk to you about how to get from the airport to your hotels. Alright, so you're flying into the city beautiful and not sure how to get from the airport to your hotel. No problem. We research transportation from Orlando airports to hotels so you don't have to. Alright, before we continue, click subscribe. Hit the bell icon so that you can get notified of any new helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. All right, first up, let's cover the big go-to, ride-sharing apps. The main ones in the area are, of course, Uber and Lyft. Both apps offer an easy and affordable way to get from the airport to your hotel. They're fast, convenient, and an overall great way to travel in Orlando. We recommend downloading the Uber and Lyft app ahead of time before your travel date so you have them ready. I bet you're wondering, why should I download them both? I should just be able to do one or the other, right? Well, the answer is simple. To save you money. Having both apps ready when you're getting off your plane makes it easy to compare prices. One app might show it's $32 to travel to the hotel versus the other might say $22. It makes it super easy to save a couple of dollars here and there during your Orlando vacation. Now, what if I don't want to use a ride-sharing app? No worries. We've got plenty of taxis here in the city beautiful. The main taxis you'll see here are Mears. Mears taxis are going to be a bit more pricey than your Uber or Lyft ride, but they do offer more reliability as far as services go. Guests wanting to use Mears taxis can call or order their service online. Guests can also download the Mears app and order their service right from their phone. The Orlando International Airport, or MCO, has official cab stands located in both terminals at the airport, on the ground transportation level as well. Here you can easily schedule a taxi. It's important to note that you don't want to accept any offers from drivers who approach you and offer their services at the airport. There is a strict no soliciting in place at the airport, and there is no way to know that this person is credible or legitimate. This means the driver may not honor the quoted price, or heck, the vehicle might not even be properly insured, so make sure you do not go with any of those drivers. If you're wanting something a bit more cost-effective, or if you're traveling with a large group, perhaps using a shuttle would be the best option for you. Super Shuttle offers airport transportation to and from your lodging. They have both vans and buses, but this service is something that needs to be booked in advance. Mears also has a shuttle bus option available that would be cheaper than their standard taxis, but you will more than likely end up sharing the ride with other guests. This also means the bus may stop at other destinations before reaching yours, so keep in mind. Previously, Disney used to offer their Magical Express, which would pick guests up from MCO, take them to their Disney resort. Unfortunately, this service is no longer available. However, another company has filled the role since. The Sunshine Flyer by Transportation Management Service offers services from the Orlando International Airport to Walt Disney World Resort. The Sunshine Flyer features beautiful train-themed buses equipped with entertainment, USB chargers, and bathrooms. This service needs to be booked at least 4 days in advance and can be booked online on their website or by phone call. Let's quickly go over public transportation for a second. While it is possible to take one of our Lynx buses from the airport to either Walt Disney World Resort or International Drive, we probably wouldn't recommend using it when trying to get to your hotel. Taking public transportation will take you longer, and it can definitely get a bit confusing when having to transfer buses. Now, if you're wanting to be a bit flashy, or maybe it's a special occasion, a limousine. I know, limousine's fancy, but think about it. You and your family just got off your plane, you're going to a Disney World resort, and there's a big cloud of smoke. You get down the escalator, and what do you see? This guy dressed up nice with the sign. We all see it in the movies. We've never experienced it, but there's the sign with your family's name, and they're waiting to take you to your hotel. You are going to be the hero of that vacation, all right? If your family doesn't buy you special treats, disown them. Like just ride back in the limo by yourself. Now, there are several different companies that offer limousine services here in Orlando. Of course, the main one being Mears. All you have to do is go outside and go, Mear, and they come right over. Okay, no, that doesn't work. There's also, not only do they have Mears, but there's also Orlando Limo and Backstage Limousine Orlando, to name a few. If this is something you're really interested in, definitely book it in advance. And now, for the most sought out option, rental cars. Rental cars offer guests the freedom of being able to drive themselves while on vacation. Overall, it's less expensive than constantly ride sharing to and from places and can definitely benefit you depending on what your plans are. Want to go to the beach while you're in Orlando? Well, that's about an hour away. But if you have your own rental car, you might as well go for it. Some of the rental car companies located right at the Orlando International Airport area are Alamo, Avis, Budget, Dollar, Enterprise, Hertz, National, Payless. They do shoes too. Who knew? Sixt and Thrifty. This can make it especially easy for picking up and dropping off the car since it's right on site. Just don't forget to sign up to rent the car in advance. And make sure to allow for some additional time when picking up and dropping the car off, as this can take some time. You may also be pressured into getting the rental car insurance policy through the dealer. Try checking with your own insurance company and credit cards first to see if you already have coverage for a rental vehicle. Most automotive policies cover rental cars, and many credit cards provide secondary coverage for rental cars if you use the card to pay for the rental. Doing this extra step save you a lot of money. If you plan on renting a car, you might also want to bring some change for tolls. There are a few toll roads located by the airport, and having some extra money may help give you peace of mind when navigating through Orlando. If you end up not having change or loose or just any cash, don't worry. A lot of the tolls will pay by plate, and then you'll get charged that way. Overall, there's plenty of ways to get to and from the airport and your hotel. Here's a pro tip. Try calling your hotel, seeing if they have an airport shuttle. There could be a possibility your hotel has a shuttle that's included in your stay. Hotels may also offer an airport shuttle at additional cost. It's definitely worth a shot to call and find out. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye, everybody.